What foods should I avoid? I kept asking myself this question. Do I need to cut this out or that? Will eating this hinder my progress? These were the questions I asked myself for a long time. I wanted to build that iconic celebrity superhero look, and I thought cutting out anything that tastes good and only eating clean would help. But it didn't really. Instead, I looked sick. I lost too much weight and I was not even able to maintain any muscle, never mind build more. I cut out sugars, sodas, cakes, most things unhealthy, and was eating clean. But this did not make me look better at all. This was not working. After multiple concerned family members kept questioning how bad I looked, I decided that maybe I should try another approach. I stopped demonizing foods and started eating normal again, which had my body back to where it was before. I then started to try and see how to best go about picking up muscle and getting lean, and doing so in a manner that I could sustain. If I only had to be eating chicken breast, rice, broccoli, oatmeal, and eggs every day, I was not going to be able to keep getting this food down. The typical bodybuilder diet just does not seem to work for me. When I started dialing in on my caloric and protein intake, I realized that I could eat what I wanted to as long as I hit my targets. This showed me results for sure, but I felt like crap. So I made some effort to eat more balanced, but still things that I enjoy. I also made sure to add more fiber because looking good is not as much fun if you feel like crap constantly. As for if there are foods that I avoid, here are some times I'd avoid certain foods. If I do not enjoy eating or drinking it, if it'll throw my whole day off and I don't think that it's worth the taste to calorie and or due to lack of protein. If I'm trying to eat less, then I will try and eat some low calorie filling foods and also higher protein. If I'm bulking, I don't avoid higher calorie foods as much unless I see that I keep going over my targeted calorie intake. This approach has worked so much better for me. Less restrictions and more freedom. Now, obviously, consult your doctor, especially if you have any special conditions. But for me, this works great. I keep trying to push my creativity in the kitchen to try and put together an array of recipes that I love, just to give variety, to enjoy all the food I eat and still make progress. My goal is to help 100 people who have not been able to find a sustainable way to get closer to their iconic body. I want to help you find your way. By the way, this assistance is completely free with no strings attached. Obviously, this offer will expire, so if that is you, send me a message, comment, let me know that you're interested, and I'll be in touch. I'll see you tomorrow.